Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Kaba Ilco X119. This is an ignition key blank for Bombardier, Can-Am, Kawasaki, Polaris, Suzuki, and Yamaha vehicles. It's a very generic sort of key blank, meaning that when you look at the profile below this video, you can see how fairly generic of a shape that it is. However, it's very important to know that when you look at the milling profile, it's as if you're looking down into the cylinder, not at the tip of the key. So when you look at the tip of the key, you'll be seeing the opposite of the milling profile. It's like you're looking down the bow of the key, which of course is difficult. Okay. Nickel-plated key blank. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page. Pull up not only all of the Kaba Ilco products that we sell, but a link to the key blank catalog, and that's a very handy resource. If you printed it out, it's probably that thick. If you have more than an occasional need, or even once in a blue moon, to try to a key blank, that's the resource to use. So you're looking for an ignition key for a Kawasaki. Control F, find function, Kawasaki. You'll immediately start finding all the possibilities. If you have the cylinder that you can inspect, you might use that to compare milling profiles, or maybe an old key that does not have the X119 sort of designation on it. So that's helpful as well. So that resource, bookmark it, is the bottom line point of what I'm trying to say. Now, speaking of Kaba Ilco, the key blanks is just one, albeit a substantial part of what they do. Cylinders is another significant line of what they do. Everything as it pertains to mortise, rim cylinders, key and knob, key and lever, deadbolt cylinders. In every practical combination of length, tailpiece, finish, keyway, Kaba Ilco does a great job of that. Very high quality material. Most of their cylinders are brass based, so you're going to enjoy a very nice high performance from their hardware because they can obtain high machining tolerance using a brass based material. Finally, there's a relatively new line of storefront hardware from Kaba Ilco, and that's going to mean aluminum storefront door hardware, latches, push-pull paddles, things of that nature. If you have more than an occasional need for that material, familiarize yourself with that catalog because they have a new and fresh approach on some storefront hardware. If you have any questions on the Kaba Ilco X119 key for your Bombardier, Can-Am, Kawasaki, Polaris, Suzuki, and Yamaha vehicles, or any other Kaba Ilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.